Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Amelia. Welcome back to my channel and back to another video. Today's video, I'm going to do some styles with these mini twists with some added extensions just to give you guys some variety and some ideas in case you ever get bored with your mini twist. Of course, this works for a mini twist whether you have added hair or not, or any kind of twist braided style actually. So I think these will all work pretty well for them. So these are just some of the styles that I've been doing since I've had these in. I'm actually going to take these out probably after this video, honestly, because they're growing out and, you know, guys, I get bored and it's time to move on to the next style. I hope you guys enjoy these styles. Give me a like if you do and comment down below your favorite one. And yeah, let's just get into it.